Good morning, traders. This morning selling pressure depends on response at this bold green zone. When you utilize Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci software, you know far in advance. This is crucial, critical, key moment. I project the software on 1-minute chart so you can see ultimate precision. Trades play out on multiple other charts. So if the buyers step in already, it's the worst possible case scenario. It means market will be stuck in brutal nasty chop. We need for price to crash and collapse to lower levels. But again, response at this level is respected and expected. Taking profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break-even is a crucial, critical, key part that you learn in the course. And it's exact same thing on all time frames. In classes we discuss hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. In classes we discuss Forex, stocks. We discuss trades on multiple instruments. The way you trade one is the way you trade all. Alpha Fibonacci system based on pure price for entry and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci levels, Alpha Fibonacci rules for exits. Key moment in front of you. Again, this is break wall to the downside. Again, obeying this as your target is crucial, critical, key part. So again, the way price respecting this level is absolutely expected. There is probability of complete bullish reversal at this level. So when you play strategically and you know your trading range before market open, you are not stressing out, you're obeying the rules. And when rules are met, you take a trade. This is crucial, critical, key moment. If institutions step in with vengeance with longs, markets will become very challenging to trade. And this is strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci chess. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision only. Stunning reminder on precision of the system. Stunning reminder on the importance of Alpha Fibonacci rules. So here's critical key preparation for the trading day with Alpha Fibonacci system. No software here. Before market open, Alpha Fibonacci system identified days in advance that this is where you should expect selling pressure from. Sell-off started prior to the market open. Sell-off overextended. I'm projecting this on any chart. Absolutely no software needed. System applies to all platforms, all instruments, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. Again, we knew that this would be critical key moment that will define markets for hours and days to come. Vertical bullish rally picking up the steam. Institutions continue with stunning bullish rally. This is a stunning reminder on precision of Alpha Fibonacci system and the importance of obeying the rules. All the rules in live class after the close of the trading room. All the rules in more than 300 videos of prior live recorded classes you can view 24/7. Ultimate precision during ultimate chop. If bullish rally skyrockets, this level is out. But price always moves one step at a time. If day trading is not for you, apply identical rules to hourly, to 4-hour, to daily, to weekly, to monthly. Any chart, any instrument, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. If price is present and Fibonacci retracement tool is present on the platform you trade, you can trade the system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Trading room is open so you can see precision instantly without any delays. As price remains stuck at this critical key level, as price reminding you the importance of trading only with rules and trading strategically as Alpha Fibonacci chess, let's review other instruments. Here's Google with Alpha Fibonacci System. Google reversed from reversal zone October 22, and you knew this many months in advance. When rules are met, you buy Google at the bottom. You're not gambling with your money, you're not losing sleep. You're trading markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. Google no longer at 82. Google skyrocketed since October. This morning Google stock at the critical key brick wall. Does this look familiar? Identical level. Identical. Where S&P bouncing from in front of you. Identical. Every single time I teach in class, first new student is stunned and shocked. This is a stunning reminder. Using indicators or systems that work on single instrument or single time frame or single platform is not a brilliant move. It's not. When you have a solid system, it works on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, because price remains identical on all instruments. There is only one difference: risk and trade hold time. Bitcoin came to the brick wall. Critical key moment on Bitcoin. Gold. No matter how astronomical the rates are, gold is not skyrocketing. It reached reversal zone. It's selling off. US dollar testing critical key support to the downside. We've been here since the last year. Looks familiar? Identical level to the upside on US dollar as on S&P. Key moment. Sell-off and crash is a beautiful news. 1 minute is a core chart. When you start understanding that market evolves from one, everything changes. It's the most powerful Alpha Fibonacci number. I love projecting software on one. And what you learn in a single class just blows your mind. Panic goes away, gambling goes away, stress goes away. This chart tells you everything you need to know. No speculation here. Price moves one step at a time. On one. So the same way US dollar selling off, the same way gold selling off, S&P mini future testing critical key RZ reversal zone. Price spelled out very clearly that buyers are worthless, buyers are weak. But again, the bounce from the critical target for 4 points was instant. So this is another crucial key level to the downside. These levels are out, we will see spectacular sell-off. Final stopping ground. To recap to those who arrived late, Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 identified well before market open that this is brick wall. If you are not trading with the software, you understand and know that this is reversal zone. You know this hours and days in advance. Again, no software on this chart, none are present, none are needed ever. Well before market open you knew you cannot buy at this level, your only option to monitor for short. With the power of the software, you see it as a bold red zone. You are very clear, longs are not an option. This is simplicity and purity of the system. No indicators on this chart. Pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits only. That's it. No matter what instrument you trade, this is all you will ever need. Tesla selling off from identical level, failing to skyrocket through. Tesla continue obeying reversal zone, but buyers are worthless on Tesla. Price telling you so. So again, here comes Second green zone. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. Are buyers step in with vengeance, or are buyers gonna give us nasty pullbacks? This is ultimate precision during brutal, choppy market conditions. Ultimate strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess on S&P mini future to the tick and multiple instruments. So when you trade markets with strategic, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci chess, all the stress goes away. All the speculation, all the chasing is done and gone. This is simplicity of the system and software you can witness in the live trading room, Monday through Thursday, and ask questions about any instrument you choose. So if institutions buying the market currently, bullish rally will skyrocket. Again, intelligent trader knows where to exit the position. Again, intelligent trader never shorts into this level. Target RZ reversal zone is met. That's it. Your workday is over. You are done for today. So this is one of my favorite people in my course ever. This is the son of hedge fund manager. Andy brought his son, 14-year-old Dominic, to the course. And Dominic, after 2 weeks in the course, delivered this, confirming simplicity of the system. And so when Dominic sending this email, it tells you everything you need to know. If 14-year-old boy can do this, so can anyone. No noise, no nonsense whatsoever. Ultimate precision, ultimate simplicity with Alpha Fibonacci rules. But his father moving multi-million-dollar accounts on completely different instruments with Alpha Fibonacci system. I can't wait to go back to London when Ken's daughter giving me this card. This is a reason I live and breathe what I do. So all I ask you is to make an effort. Can you do that? If you can trade all instruments, all time frames. And that's simplicity you witness in the trading room daily. Ultimate honor when Ken buying home for cash, no mortgage on his house. He doesn't believe in debt. That tells you everything you need to know. But every trade a different instrument, every trade a different account. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. So when you come to the website, you can always join us in the trading room. And as always, our global community of traders tells you everything you need to know. There is no other website that has students' podcasts and students' emails, where students share all over the world what and how they trade. Richard, my dearest friend for life trading options, oncologist retired, was losing everything on Tesla. Completely reversal in his performance. It's spectacular. But mom with little babies at home trading Nasdaq. Choice is yours what you want to trade. This is an honor. What students share non-stop. Can you trade Forex? Of course you can. You decide. Choice is yours. That's it. And that's the power of the system all over the world. From traders just like you. So when Theo delivers 86% performance and produces $17.81 on every dollar invested, so can you. And if you invite me to your wedding, do not be surprised if I come. I look forward meeting my students in Monte Carlo, in South France, in Italy this year, and in New York, of course. That's it. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. But this tells you everything you need to know about Fibonacci Trading Institute, our global community, our traders. It's absolutely your personal decision what you will decide to trade. So please choose from option appropriate for you. 4 options available. Private mentoring is the most desirable option, $8,000 in savings. Every option includes over 300 videos of prior live recorded classes, lifetime system for all platforms. Option 2 and 4 include lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8. Second option, the most popular option, savings $5,000. Group course. Video library modules, lifetime system, lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 included. So please review everything on the website and see the video Ken made about Fibonacci Trading Institute and our global community posted on our homepage. It tells you everything you need to know. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed, and I keep developing new systems and new strategies. Always. No one else does what I do. All proprietary, all I developed since 2008. Traded in US and more than 50 countries. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular Monday morning as price remains stuck and frozen as expected. And that's how you trade every market, every time frame. In the class next, we will review hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. We will review day trading charts. This is ultimate simplicity and precision in front of you every single day on every single instrument, on every single time frame. This is a core, this is a key. This is simplicity. If you can drive, you can trade. Alpha Fibonacci System. Just remember, stay in your lane. Know your trading range. It's that simple. And that's a spectacular simplicity during very challenging market conditions. With Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 and review of the system on multiple instruments.